Hello friends, welcome to you all in my YouTube channels. Okay, so in the continuation of the modern topic, we discussed earlier such as the Ayurveda topic. In this class, we discuss the modern topic by taking the continuation of the modern topic. So the topic of modern is nothing but the nervous system. So the nervous system, the classification of nervous system we should know. Okay, before studying the brain part, before studying the spinal, before studying the type, okay, the parts of the brain, okay, so we should know the nervous system क्या होता है, what is that, we should know the meaning of that. Okay, so classification nervous system, it is divided into the two, that is nothing but the CNS and the PNS. Okay, let's continue with that. उसका that chart I made in such a diagram. Okay, so that is a chart which is talking about that. This nervous system, it is divided into the CNS and the PNS. The CNS is nothing but the main coordinating center. The full form of CNS, that is nothing but central nervous system. नर्वस सिस्टम मीन्स क्या होता है, यहाँ पे हम नर्वस सिस्टम की क्लासिफिकेशन बात करने वाले हैं. यानी कि जो नर्व्स रहते हैं, हम नर्व बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड यूज सुने भी रहते हैं. ओके, so the nervous system is nothing but the group of nerve. The system of nerve is called as the nervous system. So it is divided into the two type, that is nothing but central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So by the full form of the PNS, the meaning is shown that the peripheral means, the periphery means around. Okay, so around the main part, that is around the CNS, around the central nervous system. So central nervous system is nothing but the main coordinated center. It receives the message. Okay, it receives the message and has ability to analyze it and decide to taking response to that message. Suppose one impulse is generated in the optic nerve. When I see an object in the eye, there is an impulse generated by the ganglionic, by the bipolar neuron cells. One impulse is generated that carried out through the optic nerve. That impulse is carried up to the brain, and the brain recognize and analyze and decide to taking response towards that message. Okay, so that ability to taking, analyzing and deciding or interpretation of that message, hence that's why that CNS is also called as the coordination center. So coordination center, for that it analyzes or decides, that's why that coordination center है ये. तो CNS में it has two parts. CNS considers the brain and spinal cord. The brain is nothing but situated in the cranial cavity, as you know very well. Okay, so brain is main thing to interpretation and the deciding, analyzing. Okay, so brain regulates so many functions such as for the sensory, motors and the neurons. Okay, for motor and mix. Okay, spinal cord, this communicates it continuation of the medulla oblongata. As you know earlier that spinal cord is the posterior, at the posterior part it locates, and it the brain stem, we know that the brain stem part is formed by the midbrain, pons varii, and that medulla oblongata. And after the medulla oblongata, the cord like structure in the वर्टिबर जो कैनाल रहता है, वर्टिबर कैनाल, जो इसी को हम स्पाइनल कॉलम भी बोलते हैं, जो एक रो में जो सीक्वेंस रहते हैं सबकी वर्टिब्रे की जो न्यूरल कैनाल होती है, दैट वी कॉल दैट स्पाइनल कॉलम. In that spinal cord runs, and that is nothing but the continuation of the medulla oblongata. That's why that is nothing but the spinal cord. So brain and spinal cord, it nothing but the central nervous system. It control, it analyze and it decide. जो it receive any message, it gives any message. That's why both are called as the coordinating center. Okay, and PNS, it supply or central the peripheral part of the body. So the nerves arising by the brain and the spinal cord, they're connected. Okay, that's brain and spinal cord, it connected with the different part of the body, and this connection is done by the nerves. Okay, जो the nerve arise by the brain and spinal cord, that connection, that nerve connected to the different part of the body. Okay, these nerve included in the somatic nervous systems. ओके, दो सोमैटिक नर्व सिस्टम जो है पीएनएस के दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. the parts of the PNS is the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Let's talk about that. That is nothing but the PNS. So PNS, that is somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system means the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. तो cranial nerve arise from the brain. जो मैंने earlier discuss किया, जो कि part of the CNS, जो उसकी brains की जो nerves arise हो रही हैं via the brain. That brain is brain के जो nerves है उसको हम cranial nerve बोलते हैं. That they are in 12 pairs that connected to the different part of the brain via this cranial nerve. Okay, cranial nerve, that peripheral part of the body, peripheral organs of the body. That's why it is included in the peripheral nervous system. And the spinal nerves arises by the spinal cord, and the spinal nerves connected to the different part of the body via these spinal nerves. That's why it is considered in the peripheral nervous system, and both are control the somatic. That both are control the soma means body. Okay, so both control the somatic, both control the body actions. So that's why it is included in the somatic nervous system. Arises from the spinal cord. 31 pairs is okay. The cranial nerves होती है, they are of 3 kinds. They are maybe sensory. It receive the message. Okay, it receive message. Okay, so that means any organ के impulse up to the brain आते हैं, and it analyze and detect करता है उस message को. And it may act as a motor. It may give to information from brain to target organ. Okay, and it may be mix. Okay, mix means it may perform the both function, the sensory and the motor. So that's why what I want to say that कि suppose from one organ to any visceral organ to जो brain message goes. So from visceral organ to brain, that includes the sensory nerves, and from brain to the visceral organ, that includes the motor nerve, and the mixed nerve means the sensory and motor both are act. Okay, and the spinal nerve, they are all are mixed nerve, no doubt, they are all mixed nerve. They both perform, they both act as a sensory and motor nerve. Okay, let's discuss about the autonomic nervous system. It constitutes in the sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic means suppose body require an energy. Okay, so for production of energy, glycogen should be break. So to neglecting the normal body function, it for in emergency condition, autonomic nervous system get started. So it has a two we can say that a two opposite antagonistic, has a two antagonistic property show करने के लिए two वे में इसको हमारे बॉडी को बैलेंस किया जाता है. ओके, तो सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम जो होता है वो इमरजेंसी कंडीशन में सपोज सर्कुलेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट ज़्यादा होने लगी, एंड ब्लड का फ्लो, ब्लड का जो टिश्यू पे पहुंचना रिक्वायर है, जल्दी रिक्वायर है, तो जो उसका जो पंपिंग, जो ब्लड एक्शन रहेगा वो हमारे पे बीपी बढ़ जाएगा. बीपी बढ़ जाएगा मीन्स उसका जो ब्लड प्रेशर, उसका जो बाय पंपिंग एक्शन ऑफ हार्ट इट इंक्रीजेस. कैसे इंक्रीज हुआ? बाय नेग्लेक्टिंग द नॉर्मल फंक्शन ऑफ बॉडी. ओके, सो दैट इज कंट्रोल, दैट इज रेगुलेटेड बाय द सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम ये जो नेग्लेक्ट कर देता है नॉर्मल फंक्शन को, एंड इट इंक्रीजेस एनीथिंग, इट इंक्रीजेस इट, यू कैन से दैट इमरजेंसी कंडीशन में यूज होता है. एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम क्या करता है? जो इंक्रीज हुआ है नॉर्मल फंक्शन जो बॉडी का है, उससे जो इंक्रीज हुआ है उसको डिक्रीज करने का अप टू द नॉर्मल, यह पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम में होता है. दैट अकर इन द पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. इन इमरजेंसी कंडीशन इट वर्क एज, okay, though both are worked, it increases the normal function of body. Sympathetic nervous function, sympathetic nervous system increases the normal function of body. जो नॉर्मल है वो इंक्रीज कर देता है. एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक क्या करता है? इट डिक्रीजेज टू मेंटेन द नॉर्मल. ओके, जो बढ़ा हुआ है नॉर्मल से उसको डिक्रीज करने के लिए पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम यूज किया जाता है. ओके, तो मैंने जो भी बताया शॉर्ट में उसको फटाफट टू डिस्क्राइब दैट वन चार्ट आई मेड फॉर यू. ओके, दैट इज नथिंग बट हियर the CNS is a nervous system is divided into the CNS and the PNS. CNS is the brain and spinal cord. PNS is considered somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Somatic means the cranial nerve and the spinal nerve both are go to the bodies. Okay, that's why they include the somatic nervous system. And the cranial nerve may be the sensory mix and the motor, and the spinal nerve all are mixed now. Okay, Then ANS, about the ANS, that is ANS is of two types, sympathetic and parasympathetic. It increases all the normal thing inside the body. Suppose increase heart rate कर दिया, pumping action require है body को, तो it increases the heart rate. Break down of the glycogen molecule. During fever condition, not fever, during fever condition, body requires a glucose molecule. To produce a large amount of glucose molecule, glycogen molecule should be break. तो बॉडी में एनर्जी है, बॉडी में एनर्जी इंक्रीज करने के लिए ग्लाइकोजन का शुड बी ब्रेक. ओके, सो उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम है एंड इंक्रीज इन द ब्लड प्रेशर, वॉट एवर यू कैन से, तो वॉट एवर इंक्रीज. ओके, पैरासिम्पैथेटिक क्या करता है, मेंटेन और डिक्रीज द इंक्रीज थिंग्स increases by sympathetic nervous system. All things get decreased by this system. That means increase heart rate तो decrease rate कर देगा up to the normal. Break down of the glucogen molecule, यानी कि आगे ग्लूकोजन इंटू ग्लूकोज ज़्यादा बन गया है, तो दैट ग्लूकोज अल्टीमेटली कन्वर्ट इंटू द ग्लाइकोजन, दैट कंट्रोल बाय द पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. ब्लड प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो गया तो उसको ब्लड प्रेशर को मेंटेन कर लेगा, ब्लड प्रेशर को अप टू द नॉर्मल कम कर देगा. ओके